Hello, everyone. Welcome to PalFish. I am Teacher Toni. 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 Okay, today I am going to show you my teaching style on how to teach this level, PF8. Okay, what does it mean? PF8, that means the student is already on A2 or pre-intermediate level. That is correct. That also means that students have already mastered the basics of English and can communicate simple, basic needs. Okay, and student can also understand sentences and frequently used expressions related to areas of most immediate relevance. For example, their hobbies, families, their likes and dislikes, and so on. So for us teachers, it is very important that we keep our lesson fun-filled and exciting to keep our students at this level motivated. So are you ready to see my teaching skills? Okay, let's get started. And today I choose to teach question 2, matching. Okay, so now I am going to pretend that I have a student. All right. Great job, Summer. You really showed a great understanding about our lesson, the verbs. And now, Summer, I want you to show me. That's correct. I want you to show me the verbs in these sentences, in the questions and sentences, as you can see on our lesson. That's good. Okay, now, Summer, can you circle all of the words that are verbs? You know that verbs are action words, right? Very good. Now, very good. Now go ahead and circle it. Wonderful. Great job. Perfect. It's really impressive. Good. Wow, this is really impressive. You're doing great. Keep it up, Summer. Wonderful. You remember our be verbs and the auxiliary verb. That is wonderful. Wow. Give me 5, Summer. Okay. Now, okay, before we continue answering our questions, okay, because in this exercise, we are going to match, yes, match the answers to this question. As you can see on the left side, right, there are 5 questions and we are going to match it with the correct answer on the left or on the right side. Wonderful. Okay, but before that, since our topic is about verbs, okay, I want to see if these words that you have encircled are verbs. We know that verbs are action words, right? Okay, now, can you show Teacher Toni these words and can you act them? Wonderful. Okay, so now let us start with this word. Can you say it? Perfect. Okay, now let's act. Oh, I've got my microphone. Sing! Good job! Wow, so impressive. And I like your voice, Summer. Great. Next. Perfect. Wow, we act together, right? We role play. Okay, next. Very good. You are a great actor, Summer. Wonderful. Okay, next. Amazing. Oh, that's cool. Like, that's really good. Wonderful. Yes, it's the past tense. That's good. Wonderful. How about this? Good job. Read. Wonderful. Uh-huh. That's good. Practice. Practice dancing. Wonderful job. And that's all. We have read and act all of these action words. That is perfect, Summer. That really shows that you understood our lesson as you have encircled all of the verbs in this lesson. Okay, are you ready to answer the questions? Let us answer question number 1. Wow, that is correct. Why do you think that is the answer? Why is it the answer? Good. Wonderful. Do you? Okay, it answers the question. Do you? And also here we say, yes, we do. When we say you, it's not only one person, right? It's not only singular, but it can also be plural, right? Good job, Summer. You remember it. Perfect. Question number 2. Wonderful. The be verb, right? They go. Uh-huh. Wonderful job. Give me 5. Okay. Question number 3. Yes. Okay. And what type of question is this? Perfect. WH question, right? And you knew the answer because of? Good. A word because. The reasoning. Wonderful job. Question number 4. Oh, wow. You are so smart. That's good. And what do you think is this? I could hear that you are somewhat hesitant to circle this earlier, right? Uh-huh. Yes, this is an adverb. Okay, I often read the newspaper. So it's not just a simple yes, I do, but we added an adverb. Yes, I often read the newspaper. Wonderful job. And last question, number 5. Wow, terrific job, Summer. You really impressed Teacher Toni. Good job. Okay, so that is how we teach this lesson to our PF8 level students. As I mentioned, they are already on their pre-intermediate level. So they basically understand the questions already or the basic sentence. Okay, thank you for watching.